Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Taurus zodiac sign people, the Taurus sun sign people. And I'm gonna tell you all how your year 2022 would be. If you are born between 20th of April and 20th of May, then this video is for you. These predictions are for you. Seeing the planetary position and the transit of planets in the year 2022, Taurus zodiac sign people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that you might have been struggling in your life. You might be down on your luck. Life must have slapped you around and you must be lying on the ground. I mean, you must have fallen flat on your face on the ground. And when a person hits rock bottom, then the only direction that person can go is towards the sky. I mean, he or she can go upwards. So this is the situation for y'all in the year 2022. If you have had any sort of setbacks in your life, then in the year 2022, you are gonna make a comeback. A setback is a setup for a comeback. So you are gonna make a comeback in your life. You are gonna bounce back in your life in the year 2022. Whatever you have endured in the past will be a thing of the past for you in the year 2022. Because you are gonna bounce back in life. You are gonna come back in life. And you are gonna take life head on. You are gonna fight tooth and nail to make your life better in the year 2022. And this is gonna happen due to your own personal efforts. You are gonna change tracks for yourself in the year 2022. And you are gonna make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort to see the brighter side of life. You are gonna remain very positive during the year 2022. You will see that you are on that path of success and prosperity in the year 2022. And let me tell you all, apart from your own efforts, this year there is some divine power which is gonna support you. I mean, that divine power is God. And when God is with you, then who can be against you? Who can go against your life? Who can go against you? So a combination of your efforts and the blessings of God will make things happen for you in the year 2022. But don't get complacent hearing me, because you would still have to work very hard in the year 2022. Because the planet Saturn would want you to work hard in the year 2022. You'll put all your power, your energy, your effort behind getting that thing you want in life, to make things manifest in your life. You are gonna see a major transformation for yourself in the year 2022. And after hitting rock bottom in your life, you will be on that journey towards the sky. You will be just seeing upwards. In other words, there would be no looking back for you in the year 2022. You are gonna see tremendous success and prosperity in the year 2022. And you will see that you are getting a lot of respect, a lot of admiration for the work which you are doing. This admiration and respect will come from your family, your near or dear ones, your loved ones. You are gonna make sure that you live your life to the fullest in the year 2022. You are gonna utilize your talents, skills and ability to reach your goals and dreams of your life. This is gonna be a memorable comeback for y'all. Well, Taurus zodiac sign people, this is all I wanted to tell you all for the year 2022. Let me now start predicting about you all for the year 2022. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for those people who are trying to find a job for themselves, let me tell you all that you are gonna find that job in the year 2022. You are gonna find that job which will give you job satisfaction. And even if you don't get a salary package as per your expectation, still I'd recommend you all to join that company, that organization, because I see that later on you will get an increase in your salary package. It is important for you to start working at this moment, not your salary package. Well, for people who are doing a job, this year is gonna be an okay sort of year for y'all. Neither too good nor too bad. You are gonna see everything normal in your life in the year 2022 in respect to your job. In fact, after April 2022, I see an increase in your salary package, or you might be transferred to a better location with a higher designation. Well, for business people, this year is gonna be a great year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see tremendous success in your business in the year 2022. You are gonna earn a lot of money in your business in the year 2022. There is gonna be a significant number of customers getting added to your existing list of customers in the year 2022. All your past problems pertaining to business will vanish in the year 2022. In other words, there wouldn't be any sort of dearth of money for you in your business, and you would be able to easily meet your house expenses as well as your business expenses in the year 2022. The only problem which can trouble you in the year 2022 is that your employees might try to spoil your reputation in front of your customers in the year 2022. So keep a watch on them. Well, for romantic people, this year is gonna be a fantabulous year for y'all. You and your love partner are gonna enjoy a lot in the year 2022. You and your love partner are gonna go out of your way to show your love for each other. There is gonna be a perfect harmony between you and your love partner in the year 2022. All your past fights, all your past differences are gonna vanish in the year 2022. And this year is gonna be that year that you will think that it is impossible for you to survive without your love partner. Hence, you will decide to marry your love partner. Or it can be vice versa. Your loved ones, your near and dear ones, your friends are gonna be very supportive of you in this love relationship of yours. I mean, if you are planning to get married, they would support you in this endeavor. Well, if you are planning to get married in the year 2022, my suggestion to y'all would be, please go ahead. Well, on the health front, this year is gonna be an awesome year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see great health for yourselves in the year 2022. All your past illnesses, all your past diseases are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. You are gonna find a cure to that illness, that disease which has been bothering you since a long time. You can also find a home remedy for that illness, that disease which has been bothering you. Well, for those people who are having a chronic disease, let me tell you all, you need to be very careful during this time. There could be some complications arising from that chronic disease which may trouble you in the year 2022. You will have to take very good care of yourself if you want to stay healthy in the year 2022. I'd advise y'all to remain busy in the year 2022 so that you don't focus on your bad health in the year 2022. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your digestive system, your liver, your teeth, your eyes, your kidneys and your sexual organs. If you face any sort of problem regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for students, this year is gonna be a very tough year for y'all. You will find it very difficult to concentrate, to focus on your studies in the year 2022. And the reason for this would be the opposite sex and your electronic gadgets. You would indulge yourself in the opposite sex, in these electronic gadgets so much that you will find it absolutely impossible to study in the year 2022. So if you wish to focus and concentrate on your studies, then you should shun your electronic gadgets and the opposite sex in the year 2022. I mean, you should not mingle with the opposite sex too much in the year 2022. And you should only use your electronic gadgets while you are studying and not for anything else. Well, for those people who are appearing for an exam or a competitive exams, they might be able to pass their exams quite easily, but they wouldn't be scoring too well in their exams. Well, for married people, this year is gonna be a tremendous year for y'all. You and your spouse are gonna experience tremendous harmony between y'all. You and your spouse are gonna work in tandem to uplift your family in the year 2022. All your past differences, all your past fights, all your past arguments are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. You and your spouse are gonna stay with each other like the best of friends in the year 2022. Your relationship with your spouse is gonna get deeper and stronger in the year 2022. There is gonna be complete peace between you all in the year 2022. You and your spouse are gonna work very hard behind your family. I mean, y'all are gonna make sure that all the demands of your family are met in the year 2022. And your family is gonna be very appreciative of your efforts. Having said this, I'd like to tell you all that y'all must take care of your children in the year 2022. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a very good year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see good profits for yourself in the year 2022. And if you see those profits in the year 2022, my suggestion to y'all would be, please book some profits for yourself in the year 2022. Don't make the mistake of not booking profits for yourself in the year 2022, because you might not see profits on those investments later on. Well, for those people who are wanting to invest in the stock market, you must do it in several tranches, not in one go. I mean, you must invest in the stock market weekly or monthly. And for those people who are gambling in the stock market, who are involved in futures and options segment of the market, my suggestion to y'all would be stay away from it. In fact, I would tell y'all not to gamble anywhere else also. Well, for people who are in debt, this year is gonna be a very tough year for y'all. You will find it very difficult to pay your EMIs, your installments in the year 2022. And the obvious reason would be that there would be some shortage of money in your life in the year 2022. Your EMIs and installments are gonna exasperate you in the year 2022. And it would be impossible for you to pay your EMIs, your installments on time in the year 2022. You could also face a legal notice from your creditors during the year 2022 if you don't pay those EMIs, your installments on time. My suggestion to y'all would be, if you get any sort of money from anywhere, you must pay your EMIs, your installments before you spend something on yourself. Well, for people who are wanting a fresh loan for themselves, my suggestion to y'all would be, please go for that loan after April 2022. Well, Taurus zodiac sign people, Taurus sun sign people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that if you are facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life continuously, I mean, if you think your problems and difficulties are never ending, then I want to tell you all about a solution, a remedy just now. Well, all you have to do is give 11 rupees each to 18 different poor people. And additionally, you will have to give a white beverage to those 18 different poor people to whom you have given that 11 rupees each. And lastly, you will have to give a kg of rice to the birds in your country. All the 3 steps of this remedy have to be done on a Saturday, and you will have to do this for 8 consecutive Saturdays. Buy a white beverage, I mean, you can give a Sprite, a 7-Up or a Limca. to those 18 different poor people. You can start doing this remedy on any Saturday of the year 2022. Well, you could buy a PET bottle of a Sprite, a 7-Up or a Limca and distribute it among those 18 different poor people. Well, if you do this remedy, then this remedy is gonna solve all your problems and difficulties which you had previously in the year 2022. And this remedy is also gonna protect y'all from all possible dangers of life in the year 2022. Well, Taurus zodiac sign, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that I make a very special prayer box and an amulet, locket, a pendant for all you Taurus zodiac sign people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life, if you have been facing predicaments and ordeals in your life, if you have been facing sorrows, miseries and worries in your life, if you have been facing barriers, hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think that you have tried hard enough to overcome these problems and difficulties without any success, then these remedies are for you. Well, if you install this prayer box or wear this amulet around your neck, then these remedies are gonna boost your luck in your life. I mean, they are gonna help you to earn more money in your life. They are gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. These remedies are gonna make you experience richness in your life. These remedies are gonna make you a very positive person in your life. These remedies are gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then these remedies will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it will make you run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, you can also contact me to pray for you and for a Vastu visit. Well, all these remedies which I am speaking about are religious remedies, are godly remedies, and these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God. We are all loving that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my general predictions about the Taurus zodiac sign, Taurus sun sign people for the year 2022. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you wish to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, then my remedies are for you. By remedies, I mean that prayer box, that amulet, and there are several other remedies for y'all. Well, these remedies are gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. You are gonna become a positive person in your life after using my remedies. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life, From the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.